Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about whether heat pumps are worth the money. Let's break down the financial aspects of heat pumps with a simple mathematical example. Let's say you're considering installing a heat pump in your home to replace your existing heating system, which might be electric resistance heating or a traditional furnace. Here's a basic breakdown of the costs and potential savings. Initial cost. The cost of purchasing and installing a heat pump can vary depending on factors like the size of your home, the efficiency of the unit, and any additional installation requirements. Let's say the total initial cost is $5,000. Operating cost. Heat pumps are generally more energy efficient than traditional heating systems, especially if you live in a moderate climate. They work by transferring heat from the outside air into your home during the heating season and vice versa during the cooling season. This can result in lower energy bills compared to electric resistance heating or fossil fuel-based systems. Energy savings. Let's say your heat pump reduces your annual heating bill by $500 compared to your previous heating system. Now let's calculate the payback period for your investment in the heat pump. Payback period, Access initial cost, annual energy savings. Payback period of $5,000, $500 is 10 years. In this simplified example, it would take 10 years to recoup the initial investment in the heat pump through energy savings. However, it's important to note that the actual payback period can vary based on factors such as energy prices, climate, and the specific characteristics of your home. Additionally, it's worth considering any potential incentives or rebates available for installing a heat pump, as these can help reduce the initial cost and shorten the payback period. Overall, while heat pumps can represent a significant upfront investment, they can lead to long-term savings on energy bills and provide other benefits such as improved comfort and environmental sustainability. Heat pumps can be a great option for heating and cooling homes, but like any system, they have their pros and cons. Pros. Energy efficiency. Heat pumps are highly efficient because they move heat rather than generating it, making them more environmentally friendly and cost-effective compared to traditional heating systems like furnaces or boilers. Dual functionality. Heat pumps can both heat and cool a home, providing year-round comfort with one system. Safety. Heat pumps don't use combustion to generate heat, so there's no risk of carbon monoxide poisoning or other combustion-related hazards. Long lifespan. With proper maintenance, heat pumps can last longer than traditional heating systems, potentially up to 15 years or more. Consistent comfort. Heat pumps provide consistent temperatures throughout the home without the hot or cold spots that can occur with other systems. Cons. Initial cost. Heat pumps can have a higher upfront cost compared to traditional heating systems, though this cost can often be offset by energy savings over time. Climate dependence. Heat pumps work best in moderate climates. In extremely cold climates, they may struggle to extract enough heat from the air, leading to decreased efficiency and effectiveness. Air quality. Heat pumps circulate air throughout the home, which can potentially distribute allergens and other pollutants if the system is not properly maintained. Noise. Some heat pump models can be noisy, particularly outdoor units. However, newer models are designed to be quieter than older ones. Space requirements. Heat pumps require outdoor units which can take up space in your yard or on your property. Additionally, they may require indoor units or ductwork, which can impact space inside your home. Overall, heat pumps offer many benefits, especially in moderate climates, but it's essential to consider your specific needs and circumstances when deciding if a heat pump is right for you. How to install a heat pump by yourself. Installing a heat pump yourself can be quite complex and may require professional expertise to ensure it's done safely and effectively. However, if you have experience with HVAC systems and feel confident in your abilities, here's a general overview of the steps involved in installing a heat pump. Choose the right heat pump. Make sure you select a heat pump that is suitable for your home size and heating-cooling needs. Consider factors such as climate, energy efficiency ratings, and available space for installation. Gather necessary tools and equipment. You'll need a variety of tools and equipment for the installation process, including wrenches, screwdrivers, refrigeration gauges, tubing cutter, vacuum pump, and brazing torch. Prepare the installation area. Clear the area where the heat pump will be installed. Ensure there's adequate space around the unit for airflow and maintenance access. Install the indoor unit. Mount the indoor unit on the wall according to the manufacturer's instructions. This typically involves drilling holes for mounting brackets and securing the unit in place. Install the outdoor unit. Position the outdoor unit on a level surface outside your home. Connect the refrigerant lines, electrical wiring and condensate drain according to the manufacturer's specifications. Connect refrigerant lines. Use a tubing cutter to cut the refrigerant lines to the appropriate length. Connect the lines to the indoor and outdoor units using flare fittings or brazing, ensuring there are no leaks. Electrical wiring. Follow the wiring diagram provided by the manufacturer to connect the electrical wiring between the indoor and outdoor units. Make sure to follow all local building codes and regulations. Test the system. Once the installation is complete, test the heat pump to ensure it's working properly. Check for any leaks, strange noises, or other issues that may indicate a problem. Charge the system. If you have the necessary equipment and expertise, you can charge the system with refrigerant yourself. Otherwise, it's best to hire a professional HVAC technician to do this step. Final checks and adjustments. Double-check all connections, seals, and settings to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Make any necessary adjustments as needed. Safety considerations. Throughout the installation process, prioritize safety by following all safety guidelines and wearing appropriate protective gear. If you encounter any issues or feel unsure about any step, it's best to seek professional assistance. Thanks for watching. I hope I could help. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a like.